Today I'm going to do a get ready with me, and the sun is not optimal yet right now, as you can see, but I need to go ahead and get ready, and I didn't want to miss an opportunity to film. I'm going to use the Milk Concealer as my eyeshadow base. It's Milk Flex Concealer. I'm going to use my F64. It's a soft blend concealer brush to make quick work of blending that concealer in. Yesterday I went to Walmart and I bought 2 new makeup items, and I'm going to share those with you today. That's why I wanted to film, of course, and because I've been filming every day. Right now is when I have time to film, so I'm going to film while the sun. Here's a new bubbly flavor for me. It's watermelon. It's got a cute little pink dilly dop on top that says psst. I'm going to do and this palette does not have it. I need dirty brown colors. I'm going to use this palette today. The Natasha Denona doesn't have what I need in it. And I'm going to start with and my hair looks like this because I've been experimenting with my automatic curler. I may have to hit some pieces with this flat iron because I look like I'm going to be heading towards the good ship lollipop. All right, I'm going to take color mustard. Oh yeah, that's exactly what I needed. From the Lime Crime Venus 2 palette. And I'm going to kind of shape this outside corner in the fox eye direction. I'm terribly sorry about the lighting conditions. Hopefully before the end of this video, the sun will be up over the house and you'll be able to see what I'm doing. I'm still using mustard. This is a great color. Wow, that's really pretty. Now I'm going to take the color Fly, which is this right here. Put that on my lid. Now I'm going to work on brows. I'm going to use my Kat Von D Sparkle Brow Powder again. It's called Dimension Powder in the color light brown. I want to see if it works better with a damp brush. And I'm using a Sigma E65, E75. This one's even more exact. I'm going to use the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea spray to wet my brush. And then I'm going to draw pinch my brush and draw some brows. This may be a little more tedious than what I wanted to do today. Boy, what a happy bird. Okay, the brows are on. So we watched Days of Thunder last night. Pat was into it because it's about NASCAR. I was into it because I wanted to see Nicole Kidman. All right, what kind of eyeliner are we going to do today? I have the perfect one. It's called Water Lily, and it's by MAC, and it's a black green, and it's so old it may or may not write. That's the direction I want my liner to go in. So it's going to be a very short, blocky baby wing, and I'm using the color Water Willow, and I'll see if I can find a dupe for this. It's a black green, and it's super old. It's by MAC. All right, there's the eyeliner. 2 little short, blocky baby wings. Loving the mustard. There we go. And then I'm going to go back with my flat brush. This is the E54 again. It seems like I keep pulling this one out. I just dampened the brush to make that more glossy or standouty. I'm going to use this BFF Brow Brow Friends Forever. It's the real sticky one that has the castor oil and E in it to promote brow growth. No, I haven't gotten to the new products yet. We'll be there in a minute. The brows and the eyeliner were tedious. I'm not gonna let it sit. I'm gonna go ahead and get a brow brush. Here's one. This is my Sigma, no, Focal Lure brow pencil. Wow, it's goopy. Brush some of that out. I put too much. This is one of those cases where too much is not good. I still have to go back and see if I can fix my Shirley Temple hairdo. Oh dear. We're seriously considering a updo at this point. Pencil brush, and I'm going to take the color Pigeon and put that underneath. And I'm going to take the color Jam. I need another pencil brush. Got one. Oh yeah, I like that. On the inner corner, like that. Yeah, I think I'm going to put it on the outer corner too. I'm connecting that blocky liner to the bottom. I think I may have messed up my look. It's a little bit of fallout with this palette. It's Lime Crime going over the Water Willow with the Pigeon. I'm going to use eyelash primer today because I'm using a colored mascara and I want it to show. So I'm using the Lancome Cils Booster. While my camera was cooling off, I went ahead and put on my mascara after I got through putting on my Cils Booster, which is my Lancome Lash Primer. And the mascara I'm using today is the Loreal Voluminous in the color Deep Green. And at the end of the video, I'll bring you in real close, and it does look green in the sunlight if you're outside. It's very subtle. It's nothing like the cobalt or the burgundy. So I have the cobalt, the burgundy, and the deep green. All right, let's move on to skin. The doop-de-doop curls are annoying me. For skin, I got the Wet n Wild Photo Focus, and I think I might need a primer. Oh gosh, it's got a dipstick. What primer shall I use? I'm going to use a little bit of the Bobbi Brown face base. Boy, I have the freckles now. Don't have to draw those on. That really feels good. But I'm using a dewy foundation, so I may have just screwed the pooch. I don't know. Let's hope I don't get too dewy. I have a damp beauty blender, so I'm going to use that to, I hate these dip things. Wow, it appears I got the exact color I needed. I have cream beige and it's medium neutral. Perfect. I would say I got the right color. Anyway, I was shopping at Walmart and I figured for the price point, it wouldn't matter if it was a little bit off, right? It was under $5. It's very natural looking. So we're going to add more. I'll take the pointy end and get around my brows. I think I messed up this brow. Okay, it sets up to a satin finish. I can feel it getting a little bit tight. I need to lay out in the sun like this instead of looking at my screen because now I have sun mark wrinkles on my neck. All right. I like that. That's a natural look. All right, let's do some highlight / contour. I'm going to put the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind down the center of my nose. I'm going to make sure it's thin. Now I'm going to take my Fenty and contour my nose. I'm taking E45. Okay, that's what it looks like before I blend it out. Take my beauty blender. Oh, we need Maybelline Age Rewind under the eyes. That makeup feels tight. I'm getting the sensation like when you're using a long wear foundation. I'm going to use this one today. This one is called Scattered Petals. It's from MAC. It's a powder kiss. That's really pretty with that. And I'm going to give it some dimension. So I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. And there's my lip look. I don't have earrings on today because the earrings I wore yesterday made my ears hurt or sore. This is a ointment. Isn't that one of the words we don't like to say? Ointment. Ointment. No, they call it a cream that heals my ears up really quick when I've used earrings that my ears don't like. Straightens that up right up. Okay, I'm going to use my eyelash comb. And then I'm going to do some more green mascara. All right, now for the blush. I'm going to use the Dolce Vita today. I'm going to use my F55. And I'm going to go ahead and carry that up here too. That's my contour. Like that. Now I'm going to touch up my shadows a little bit. Make sure they're perfect. This is it's called Jam. This is the mustard. My lid has got Fly on it, and the underneath is Pigeon. There we go. I'm having a hard time getting my mascara to build. So here's my makeup up close. First reaction, I would say that I like my new Wet n Wild Dewy, Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation Fond de Teint Dewy Lumineux. That's what it is. Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation Fond de Teint Dewy Lumineux. I would say that I like it. This is my hair. I still look like I'm going on the Good Ship Lollipop, but we're gonna it'll probably fall some before I leave. Here is the green mascara. I'm thinking if I want a greener mascara, I'm going to have, I think Dior makes one. If you know of a really bright green mascara, leave it in the comments and I'll give it a go. I like the Powder Kiss lipstick in the color Scattered Petals. The NARS Dolce Vita blush has been on replay because I like it so much. So this is my look. I'm going to do hair and makeup, and yeah, I'm finally getting back to work. I'll talk to y'all again soon, and I hope you have a good evening.